Please subscribe for more videos.
Top, bottom. Top and bottom. Old, young. Old and young. Oh no! All the animals are muddled up. Can you help me put them back together? This looks like a duck's head. Where's the duck's tail? Here it is! It's a duck. This looks like an elephant's head. Look at its big long trunk. Where's the other part? That looks like an elephant to me. Are we right? Yes! We found the elephant. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. He's so dizzy. Number train. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choo-choo, choo-choo. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over, under. Over and under. Sad, happy. Sad and happy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? What does this look like? It has a huge long neck. Could it be a giraffe? Where are the giraffe's legs? There they are. It's a giraffe. I think it's a penguin. Where are the penguin's feet? Found you. Penguin. Cold, hot. Cold and hot. Open, shut. Open and shut. Dry, wet. Dry and wet. Oh, right here is a lion. Roar! Where's the lion's legs? I think that's them. Lion! What's right next to the lion? It's a horse. Now where are those horses' legs? I think this is them. We found the horse. Nay! This is a red train. Blue, green, purple. It's a yellow bird. Tweet, tweet. It's an orange cat. Meow. It's a white dog. Woof, woof. High, low. High and low. Big, little. Big and little. It's a school bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! It's a cow! Moo! And here are his legs and udders. It's a cow! Moo! We found all the animals. A giraffe, the tallest animal in the world. A cow. Moo! The cow goes moo! An elephant with its big, ginormous trunk. It's a penguin. A horse. The horse goes neigh. A lion. A lion goes roar. And a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Awake, asleep. Awake and asleep. Shallow, deep. Shallow and deep.
Please subscribe for more videos.